Today we're going to learn how to use am, is, are when we're asking questions. So here I explain how to actually turn the positive into the question. So when we see I am, in a question that will become am I. He is, when it's in a question, will become is he. She is will become is she. It is will become is it. We are will become are we. You are becomes are you. They are will become are they. So I'll go through those again and then I'll show you how to use some examples. So I am becomes am I. I am becomes am I. He is he. He is he when it's in a question. She is becomes is she when it's a question. She is becomes is she. It is becomes is it. Just repeat that. It is becomes is it. We are becomes are we. We are becomes are we. You are becomes are you. You are becomes are you. They are becomes are they. So they are, when it's a question, becomes are they. We can have a look at some examples now using am, is and are in questions and answers. What is your name? So what is? My name is Alice. Are you? Are you married? No, I'm not. How old are you? I'm 27. Are you a student? Yes, I am. So you can see from the table here that we, instead of saying we are, when we ask the question, we say are we? So we see it here. And when you ask a question about you, you say are you instead of you are. So, are you a student? How old are you? This has come from here where you are becomes are you when we turn it into a question. So if we have a look at some more examples. So let's practice these examples. What's your name? What's your name? That's asking what is your name? My name is Alice. Are you married? No, I'm not. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 27. Are you a student? Are you a student? Yes, I am. So if we go through this again, and if you could practice these by reading these sentences, speaking these sentences, and writing these sentences, that will really help you to understand how we use am, is, are to ask questions. So this is, what's your name? My name is Alice. Are you married? No, I'm not. How old Are you? I'm 27. Are you a student? Yes, I am. So we see that we went from the positive where we say I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are, to am I, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they. I hope you can understand clearly now how to use those in sentences. We'll practice some more examples here. So, are we late? Are we late? No, you're on time. So, are we, because it's a question, we switch it around. Here, because it's not a question, we say you are. Is your father at home? No, he's out. So we say, is your father at home? No, he's out. He's out. Is it cold in your house? Notice, is it, because it's a question. So, is it cold in your house? Yes, a little. Your shoes are nice. Are they new? So this is your shoes are nice. But when we ask a question, we turn that round and we say, are they new? Because it's a question. Let's go through those again. Are we late? No, you're on time. Is your father at home? No, he's out. Is it cold in your house? Yes, a little. Your shoes are nice. Are they new? So what we see here is the question form, are we, and we see the non-question form, which is your or you are, no, you are. Are we late? No, you're on time. Is your father at home? No, he's out. Is it cold in your house? Yes, a little. Your shoes are nice. Are they new? Your shoes are nice. Are they new? So if you could read, speak and write these sentences, it will really help you to understand how am, is and are used to ask questions in English. So now let's check our understanding a bit further. Notice we said, is he at home? Is your father at home? When we ask a question, we don't say, is at home your father? This is not correct. So we say, is he at home? Is your father at home? Right, because we switch these round. Is your father at home? Is he? Not he is, and not is at home your father. So the question about the gloves, are they new? So we say, are they? Are they new? Or we can say, are your gloves new? What we wouldn't say is, are new your gloves? Right, so practice these and it will really help you to understand how we use am, is, are in questions. Read these sentences, speak these sentences, write these sentences. It's very good practice for you. So try again. Is he at home? Is your father at home? Are they new? Are your gloves new?